Hey guys, happy 2022. So I've been feeling a bit unmotivated these last few weeks, and I think a big part of that is my current working area. Something that definitely will help with motivation and wanting to make rad work again is to change my desk setup and environment. Currently, it's a bit bare and empty with no organization or inspiration whatsoever. The wiring system is also pretty bad and all over the place. I'm a huge believer that your environment plays a big impact on your mood and productivity, so let's make this space look dope and pleasing to the eyes. I've been looking at a bunch of really great desk setup inspirations, and something that is really nice is this wood and warm lighting theme. YouTubers like Macy Lay and Matthew Asina have a beautiful and chill vibe to their desk setup. They also have this cool wood monitor stand and shelves for organization, displaying art and plants. I have this random piece of plywood from a previous project that we could cut into pieces for the table and shelves, so let's get to it. First up, we're gonna head to the local favorite plant shop. This place has all types of indoor and outdoor plants, big or small. The first plant I picked up was a Hedera helix, aka common ivy. Next up was the fern polypodium, which has this interesting elongated style to it. Also got this cool concrete pot for it, and it looks pretty nice together. So we're gonna repot the plant into some previous pots we have. I have this cool head planter from a shop called Rooted. Super cool plant shop based in New York. Definitely check them out if you need some fun plant and planters. Repotting is such a peaceful and fun thing to do because it gives a plant a new home to thrive in, and it completely changes how it looks together with the pot. Next up is IKEA, probably the best place to get nice home essentials quickly. We're going to pick up the Vivala, which is a tablet and phone holder. This is going to help us save some desk space area. I also got lucky and snatched these last remaining shelf brackets with 4 left over. The light area in IKEA is my favorite section as there's something so nice and calming about it. We're going to pick up the Tokabo, which is this cute little mushroom looking lamp. This little lamp would look really nice on the shelf and bring the overall space to life. And hey, you can't forget the frozen yogurt at the end. Lastly, we're at Home Depot and we're gonna get the wood cut out. It always helps me to print out a sheet so I remember the dimensions needed. We're also going to pick up a thinner piece of wood for the monitor stand. The gentleman that helped me out was super kind and cool. He cut all of the pieces out precisely and quickly, so shout out to this awesome dude. After we have all the pieces, we're going to grab some sandpaper with fine grit. We're going to sand each piece of wood so that the splinters on the edge are smooth and straight. This process can take a while, but feeling how soft the wood is at the end is definitely worth it. Next up, we're going to start the monitor stand. We have the longer wood cut into 5 pieces, 2 on the bottom as the legs and 3 sandwiched in between to form columns. After we position the pieces how we want, we're going to screw each one from the bottom upwards. Gotta love how the drill sounds. It's really satisfying to slowly see the stand take its form and become more sturdy. And voila, there we have it. Lastly, we're going to drill the brackets we got from IKEA on the wood shelves. We got 2 pieces cut out inspired by Macy Lay. We have one shorter in width on the bottom and one longer at the top. I also have this really nice photography of Kobe Bryant by Neil Bedford that would be perfect to fill up the negative space on the right hand side. Next up, we're going to add in items to the shelves, and we're going to unbox the mushroom lamp and power it up. You gotta love IKEA's simple packaging as it's so well thought out. We're going to add in the nice potted plants we received the other day and also the lamp. For the top shelf, we're going to add in another plant and also some design books to fill up the leftover space. What's nice about the monitor desk we built is the little spaces we created to put in post-it notes and other useful items. After we have the items furnished surrounding to our liking, we're going to add in the monitor for the finishing touches. Just having the screen turned on really makes the space feel unified and colorful. Also, another neat and tidy trick is that we could scoot the keyboard and mouse underneath the monitor stand for a clean and spacious look after the end of the day. We're gonna give our plants some well-deserved water, and let's switch our laptop with our phone to watch some Netflix. Currently binging Ozark and it's crazy good. And there you have it. Here's my 2022 desk setup, and I already feel much more inspired and hyped to make new and exciting works. Hope you guys enjoyed this desk tour, and Happy New Year's. Have a great one. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time. Peace.